Imagine you visit a doctor. Before saying what's wrong, the doctor will check several things with you. What's your temperature? Do you have cough? How long have you been sick? What's your oxygen level? Only after collecting all this information, they say, you have the flu. Now think about it. The doctor looked at several clues before finding the answer. But what are these clues called? And what do we call the final answer? So let's find it out. Also, I will suggest a book at the end of this video which will give you the clearest introduction to machine learning. Imagine you're buying a house. Before deciding the price, you look at many things: number of bedrooms, size of the house, city, age of the building. These pieces of information help you make a decision. In machine learning, these pieces of information are called features. Now let's look at the answer we want. That answer is called the label. A label is simply the correct answer the model is trying to learn. Think of it like this. Features are the clue, the label is the answer. That's the entire idea. Not all features are the same. Let's look at the 5 most common types: numerical, categorical, binary, text, and image. The first type is numerical features. Think about your smartwatch. It records your heart rate, your daily steps, the number of hours you slept, your calories burned. Every one of these is a number. Together, they help the app estimate how healthy you are. Machine learning uses these numbers as numerical features. Now let's look at categorical features. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. The barista asks, what would you like? Small, medium, or large? These aren't numbers. They are choices. Each choice belongs to a category. They are called categorical features because they describe what something is, not how much it is. The next type is binary features. Imagine you have a smart door lock. It only has 2 states, locked or unlocked. There is nothing in between. Features with only 2 possible values are called binary features. Now let's talk about text features. Imagine you are looking for a restaurant. One restaurant review says, amazing food and excellent service. Another restaurant review says, cold food and rude staff. Before you even visit the restaurant, you already have an opinion. That's because the words tell a story. These are called text features because the AI learns from the words themselves. The last type is image features. Think about face unlock on your phone. The model learns from facial details, eye position, face shape, distance between facial landmarks. The image provides the information. In machine learning, the visual details are called image features. Now labels or answers also come in different forms. Let's look at the 4 common types: classification, regression, multi-class labels, and multi-label classification. Let's start with classification labels. Think about your email inbox. Every new email arrives, it's placed in a folder: inbox, spam, promotions, updates. The system is deciding which category the email belongs to. That category is called classification label. Now let's look at regression labels. Imagine you book a cab. Before you confirm the ride, the app tells you the estimated fare. It doesn't say cheap, expensive, or medium. It gives you an exact number. Whenever the answer is a number, it is called a regression label. Now let's look at multi-class labels. Imagine you arrive at a busy railway station. The display board shows several platforms. Your train can leave from only one of them. You look at the train number and choose the correct platform. Choosing one correct category from many possibilities is called multi-class classification, and the answer is a multi-class label. The last type is multi-label classification. Imagine YouTube recommending tags for a video. One video could be tagged as AI, machine learning, Python, education, technology. One input, multiple correct labels. One item can have several correct labels at once. That's called multi-label classification. If you would like to understand concepts like features, labels, datasets, I highly recommend the 100-page machine learning book by Andrei Burkov. It's one of the clearest introductions to machine learning I have come across. I have added the link in the description below. Before we wrap up, let me quickly introduce myself. Hi, I'm Unmesh Nadkarni. I'm a tech entrepreneur, AI explorer, and builder who loves breaking down complex ideas into simple, practical insights. Through this channel, AI in Small Bytes, my goal is simple: to help founders, professionals, and builders understand big AI concepts in small, easy bites. In our next video, we'll explore another fascinating AI concept in a simple and practical way. But in the meantime, have a great one.